Tell you something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food. Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans. You understand me? Not even coconut tree not been a grow at Jamaica. Guyana sent coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica, them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican. Me not know where they come out with that. A Guyanese make Jamaican people know about peas and rice. Yes.
Hello guys. Welcome to Auntie Yami channel. How are you? How are you doing? Thank you very much to all my new subscribers for the support and love you've shown my channel. And also, I want to thank all my subscribers, returning, and those who are just there to observe. I really appreciate for watching my videos. You know what? I don't have words on how to thank you. Today is very interesting, Jamaicans, because today is the day. I came across a video by a Guyana woman who came out there with her full chest out, talking about how rice and peas is originated from Guyana. Then I was like, oh my goodness, maybe all this time I was wrong, because even a child, even in schools here in UK, if you ask a child, one of the youth, they'll tell you that rice and peas is originated from Jamaica, but normally it originated from Ghana and Sierra Leone. Some of you are going to say, no, Auntie Yami, don't go further. But this is reality. Now, you've heard this Guyana woman being very confident, even explaining, even the title of the video was like, it's for education purpose. Who are you educating with wrong information? No way. I've done some research. I was meant to make this video days ago, but I thought it wise. I'm like, no, Auntie Yami, try to do some more research and find out maybe this woman is right. But all the sources out there, they are talking about the same information I'm passing here. And even the same information, all these videos I'm going to play, they are confirming about the originality of rice and peas. Anyway, as you've heard her, she's saying peas and rice. Maybe we are wrong. She's talking about peas and rice, not rice and peas. Because at the end of the day, let's be frank here, maybe she meant something else. But the moment she mentioned Jamaica, no, it's not originated from Jamaica. We knew that she's talking about rice and peas. Jamaicans, what do you think about this? Let's listen to these videos whom people are confirming. Not only Jamaican, but the world is confirming. And after, I'm going to ask other sources to give me information about the original place of rice and peas. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Rice and peas. Jamaican rice and peas. A staple dish with a rich history. Did you know it's a direct descendant of West African cuisine, brought to the island by enslaved Africans? The peas aren't actually peas, but kidney beans, which were originally used as a substitute for traditional West African ingredients. And the rice. It's often flavored with coconut milk, adding a creamy twist. This simple dish is a testament to Jamaican resource and cultural fusion. So, next time you savor rice and peas, remember the flavors of Africa, India, and the Caribbean blending.
Jamaicans call it rice and peas. Guyanese call it cook-up rice. Both swear their version is the real Caribbean dish. In Jamaica, rice and peas is Sunday tradition. Red kidney beans or gungo peas, simmered with coconut milk, thyme, and Scotch bonnet. It is served with everything from jerk chicken to curry goat. In Guyana, cook-up rice is the pride of the table. Rice, peas, beef, pork, or even fish, all slow cooked in one pot with coconut milk. It is more than food. It is survival, a dish born from making plenty out of little. So who owns the crown? Jamaicans argue rice and peas is the symbol of the Caribbean plate. Guyanese argue cook-up rice is older, richer, and more versatile. The truth is both come from the same African roots. But across kitchens and comments, the rivalry will never end. Follow Divided Islands for the true
Caribbean people, this is not rice and peas. This is peas and rice. I say again, peas and rice. I shall tolerate peas and rice slander no more. No more shall I cower to your culinary degradation. Peas and rice forever. Rice and peas never. Okay, bye.
I'm on a mission to find the world's best rice dish. This is part 10, and today we're taking a trip to Jamaica.
Let's make some rice and peas.
Now, every island in the Caribbean has their own version of rice and beans, which is served alongside stews, curries, fried fish, or just eaten on their own. Now, the preparation is pretty much the same across the Caribbean. You soak your beans, then you make a broth with vegetables and fresh aromatics, and then you use that broth to cook the rice. Now, in Jamaica, red kidney beans or gunga peas are used, and they're basically stewed down in a broth of ginger, scallion, Scotch bonnet, fresh thyme, ginger, pimento, until they look like this, and you've got a nice colourful broth. And you can add coconut milk or coconut cream. I kind of go in between depending on what I've got. Coconut cream gives you a much richer flavour, and then the key is the salt levels. Make sure you season generously. Then once you're happy with the flavour of the broth, you're going to add your rice and beans and cook on a low heat for 15 minutes. Then remove and steam for another 20 minutes before you fluff up the rice, otherwise you're going to break the grains and it's going to look all mushy. Now, the full recipe's in the caption below, and comment below what you want me to make for part 11. I'll see you there.
Anyway, you've heard all those videos, but I'm going also to prove this Guyana woman wrong, because I've got some information backing those videos from several sources. Rice and peas, a beloved Caribbean dish, especially in Jamaica, has its roots in West Africa. Maybe they should have said especially in Guyana, but they say especially in Jamaica. West Africa origins. The dish traces back to West Africa. Rice and beans, exactly. In Africa, the peas we call beans, I know about it. Combinations such as waki from Ghana and similar meals made with rice and cowpeas or pigeon peas. Enslaved Africans brought this culinary tradition with them to the Caribbean during the transatlantic slave trade. Where are you, woman? Because you need to come here and listen to this. Then remove that for education purpose, because you are going to mislead a lot of youths. That's what we don't want. As a teacher, I want like that. Caribbean adaptation. In Jamaica and other Caribbean islands, Africans adapted the recipe using local ingredients. In Jamaica and other Caribbean countries, but they are still putting Jamaica. Rice, kidney beans, I know those red beans. Ogungo, which is pigeon peas. Coconut milk, thyme, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Colonial influence. Rice became more available through colonial trade, and the dish became a Sunday staple in Jamaica. Rice and peas is a Sunday staple, often served with chicken or other meats. So while Jamaica popularized and perfected rice and peas as national dish, it's true origin lies in West Africa cooking traditions that were carried across the Atlantic. This is reality. It's reality. So I can see that this Guyana woman might be because of content. She came out there, want people to react. Because each and everyone is reacting. But at the end of the day, I don't blame her. Maybe she thought if I lie about it, people will come and watch. I'll go viral with wrong information, and that will help me. But at the end of the day, we don't do something like that. Jamaicans, let me know what you think about this information. I know I'm also a content creator who sometimes we do talk about things without doing proper investigation or proper research. But at the end of the day, we have to avoid that, because this is a straightforward thing. And also, sometimes people like this, they just want to see what people are going to say. It's like causing confusion, causing argument, promoting hatred, because we cannot continue fighting about food. It doesn't matter where the rice and peas or the curry goat or what, or our country is better than this country. These are confusion, where people who doesn't have common sense, they will bring out those type of things just to confront others or to get attention. So guys, I thought today, let me just try to reason with this woman. And you guys, I know you are going also to watch this video and let me know what you think at the comment section. We don't want people like this. Listen carefully. This is the reality, because what I've read here in a different source and the videos you've listened to, they are giving us the right information. It doesn't mean that because West Africa is being mentioned, there is a problem. But at the end of the day, we need to get the roots of everything, because there will be people like this one who will bring wrong information. Like, oh, Guyana is where this came from. Oh, maybe this is the better than this one. We don't want that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I didn't want to waste your time, because I thought it wise to come here and share with you, my Jamaican people. Thank you. And even you, Guyanese there, wherever you are, come and support your sister. But you need to back up with concrete information, not just thinking that, okay, we have to say because we are Guyanese. No, it doesn't work like that. Thank you very much. God bless you abundantly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to shower your auntie with some love. Always love, 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 love. Thank you, thank you. God bless you once again. Ciao, ciao. Bye.
From Kingston streets to the quiet hills, together in harmony, hear the joy